welcome to Learn Haitian Creole with Faye. Today I'm going to teach you how to say I like you in Haitian Creole. If you want to be a little more direct, you can say Moi reme weo, which means I like you, I like to see you. Moi reme weo. Another way to say I like you is Moi reme comportement. I like your mannerism. Moi reme comportement. If you like someone and you don't want to tell them that I love you right away, you can say Moi reme façon, which means I like the way you are. There are multiple ways to say I like you in Haitian Creole. However, there is one verb to say I like you and I love you. It is reme. Until next time. Goodbye.